Alrighty, hello. So I've got some new toys from QSC, which I'm very excited about. We've got the QSC TouchMix-16. We've had the 8 and it's absolutely off the chain amazing and super cool. But because we're doing a bit more filming in the bus with some other people coming in, I needed some more channels. So thank you, QSC, for this amazing upgrade. I'm going to be very careful. This is a very big knife. Not as big as Crocodile Dundee's, but close. And this is very... I don't know if we should film this bit. This is not very, very safe looking, is it? Got it. All right, let's put that away. So these mixers, if anyone's looking to buy a mixer, by the way, these things are amazing. They're so easy to use. Courtney can use them. Sorry, darling. But seriously, Courtney doesn't know anything about mixing. And it's very simple. All the controls are like right there. It's got EQs, compressors, beautiful reverbs and delays, and it's all just built in and fabulous. And look how schmick it looks. That's pro. That's real nice. So here we go. Yeah, real nice. So we got 6 auxiliary outputs, obviously 16 in. And they've all got their individual gain controls, and then the main left and right out, and then like just pretty much everything you need. I'm very excited to start using this. So I'm gonna get set up and look at the size of it. It's like so compact, but super powerful and super user friendly. So I'm gonna get set up for this interview and I'll catch you later.